Remove the instrument and all accessories. Install the bracket. The accessory bag contains 4 screws and a hex screwdriver. Attach the 2 brackets to the left and right sides respectively. Install the emergency pause handle. Install the handles. The instrument comes standard with 7 handles. Align the red dot on the handle connector with the red dot on the instrument connector and insert until a click sound is heard, indicating proper installation. Connect the power supply and flip the leakage protector upward. For first-time use, release the emergency switch. The emergency switch is located on the top of the instrument. Pressing it immediately cuts off power. During operation, ensure the emergency switch is released. Upward position, interface introduction. Interface introduction. 3 modes. Auto mode, select gender. On the interface, the icon of the connected treatment area will turn white, while unconnected areas will appear gray. Tap the corresponding patch icon to turn it blue. Adjust the RF energy and HICFES intensity for that patch. Start with low energy and gradually increase to the customer's tolerance level. A1, M2, and M3 are 3 common parameter sets. Parameter adjustments for the forehead, chin, cheek, and eye areas are on the same screen. Set the treatment time. Range is 1 to 90 minutes. Recommended time for eyes, 20-30 minutes. Other areas, 30 to 40 minutes. Give the emergency pause handle to the customer and instruct them to press the button if they experience discomfort, such as excessive RF heat. When the customer presses the emergency pause handle, the instrument will pause and trigger an alarm with the prompt. Tap any button to close the prompt screen and check on the customer. After adjusting the energy level based on the customer's feedback, press the start button to resume treatment. During the operation, frequently check the customer's comfort level and adjust the energy as needed. Manual mode. The adjustment method is similar to auto mode but does not include M1, M2, M3 preset storage. Tap neck in the lower right corner to enter the neck patch adjustment interface. Adjust the RF energy and HICFES intensity for the neck patch. High power mode, only for the forehead, chin, and neck areas. The energy in high frequency mode is stronger. Recommended RF energy is 10%. Adjust based on the customer's comfort to prevent burns. Start with the lowest HICFES intensity and gradually increase to the customer's tolerance level.
Is free of oil and moisture, as this may affect the adherence of the patches. Neck patch. Remove the transparent film from the patch. Apply the patch firmly to the back of the neck. Open the clip connected to the handpiece. Align the arrow direction for insertion. Ensure correct insertion with the white line aligned to the interface, and close the clip. Eye patch. Note the distinction between L left and R right. Ask the customer to look upward, and apply the patch along the curve just below the lower eyelid, 2-3 mm away from the eyelashes. Gently lift the skin with one hand and align the patch to the corner of the mouth, applying it firmly to the cheek. Avoid the eyebrows and apply the patch firmly to the forehead. Chin patch. Place the curved side downward to avoid the throat. Gently smooth it, and apply it firmly to the skin. Use the included mask to secure the patches. Adjust the energy level. Press to start. After the customer adapts, increase the energy level. During the procedure, frequently ask the customer about their comfort level and adjust the energy in real time. After the procedure ends, if the set time has not been reached and you need to end the session early, press the pause button first. Apply a hydrating mask and follow up with skincare.